this is Charlene. We are going to be converting this English phrase into math language today. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is read our phrase. 5 times the sum of a number and 6 is 48. So the first thing that stands out to me is this little phrase right here, is 48. Well, is always means equals, so it equals 48. So that piece of it is literally just going to be equals 48. Okay, so let's talk about the next thing that stands out to me. Well, the next thing that stands out to me is sum. Well, what does sum mean? Sum means plus. So we're going to have the sum or the addition of something. And what are we going to have the sum of? We're going to have the sum of a number and 6. So that whole part right there, sum of a number and 6. So we could have sum of a number and 6. So what do we like to call numbers that we don't know what they are? In algebra, our favorite thing to call things are x. So we could say x plus 6. Now in reality, could you say n plus 6? Sure. If you wanted to call it n, you can. If you want to call it p, you can if that's what you want to call it. But for our purposes today, we are going to stick with x plus 6, which represents the sum of a number. So this whole part right here is represented by this whole part up here. Okay, so at that point, I just have to need to address the last part, which is 5 times. 5 times what? Well, 5 times the sum. So that means I literally could have 5 out here, 5 times that sum right there. So let's go ahead and move all of that up here. With our equals 48, we can have 5 times the sum of x plus 6. And that is 48. We are at the end. That is actually the complete conversion to math language. Hopefully that helps. We hope to see you back soon. When you need some math help, just click the like button and the subscribe button.